What is up, y'all? It is Bella, back testing with Bella, Trading Bay. Today I'm going to be on here telling you how you can improve your trading overnight using the strat and ICT concepts. So you guys know I be talking about the same thing in every video. I be talking about breaking structure, fair value gaps. I'll be talking about liquidity, which is very important to me, and just basically knowing how to enter and exit your trades using the strat also, and just adding ICT concepts in between. So yeah, before you guys get into the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, because y'all know I be dropping that heat all the time. So look at my son. You know, this will really go on behind the scenes. Like, you will be trying to make a video, but then you got your child that's all in between that's just doing stuff. So y'all want to see something funny? Look. I love it when something make me laugh. But yeah, let's get into it. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so getting straight into it. I'm gonna make this video real quick tonight because y'all see I got my little one in the back doing whatever he wanna do. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can improve your trading overnight just by learning buy side and sell side liquidity for real. Like, basically just knowing when to enter and when to exit your trades. Like, so you guys will see like something like this. Let me use a highlighter. This is buy side liquidity. So buy side liquidity, you do the opposite. When it's at the buy side liquidity, you look to enter for shorts to sell. And then when it's at the sell side, you do the opposite of the sell side. You look to enter for calls. You look for a bounce up. So getting into some examples, let's get into it. I'm gonna just go ahead and press replay on some shit so you guys can just see it real quick what I'm talking about and in the back testing mode. And you guys know, even when I'm doing my live trades, I do the same thing every time. I never switch up anything that I'm doing. I only use one strategy, and yeah, that's that. I use ICT concepts and the strats. So let me go ahead and back up on the 2-minute chart. You guys see here the Jerome Powell reaction to the market. You know, he be making the market crazy. Very, 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 very crazy. So just saying we started from here because I'm not trying to go too deep into it because I have to watch out for my kids. So let's just say we're starting from here. You guys can see it's a lot of stagnant movement. I don't like these kind of moves. So yeah, I don't like these kind of moves. But if I'm right here, you guys can see how the sell side liquidity was just taken out. So real quick, I'll put this here. Sell side liquidity. It also broke the structure. So I am looking for a retracement back to the upside to go back and take out the buy side liquidity. The buy side liquidity is up here. You know, the buy side liquidity is way up here, but I'll have my targets in between just in case if it was to retract and I have to take some profits. So here I'm looking for I'm looking for the bounce. Let me just look at the overall trend. So from here, the overall trend, it is at a break of structure. You guys can see the break of structure is when it failed to break a swing low or a swing high. No, my bad. That's a order block. My bad. Don't get on my ass. My bad. So the breaking structure is when it breaks equal lows or equal highs. Alright? Breaking structure is when it breaks a swing low or swing high. So here we go on a 5-minute chart. You guys can see here, it got to that zone, it bounced. It got to the zone, took out liquidity. Now it's back there. I'm looking for it to get filled. So I'll set some targets around here. Fair value got to get filled. Let me make that line yellow so you guys know. I like to set my zones at the pivot points, and I like to set my zones, entries and target points at the, you know what I'm saying, pivot points. So I just got all these little tight moves. This is buy. I do want to see it get taken out to the sell side, to the buy side liquidity. My bad. I'm fucking up a lot because I'm trying to like make sure I listen to my son in the background. So sorry. So you guys can see how it bounced from there. It took out the little sell side liquidity. And what did I say about sell side liquidity? Once the sell side gets taken out, basically look for it to go to the buy side. So this happens all throughout the day. There'll be breaking structures, liquidity, and then there'll be fair value gaps. So basically the market goes from imbalance to balance, imbalance to balance, imbalance to balance, and that's just how the market moves. So yeah, the market goes from imbalances to balance. So looking at it here, I'm looking for all the targets to get taken out. I kind of do want to see it go above here. We got the buy side liquidity now. So far it's went from, we would have entered around here, 391.77. It has went to a high of 394.96. So basically to 395. That's over a $3 move. It's very good on SPY. Alright, so this is clearly a new day. This is a new day at 9:30. So scratching all this on my chart, I'll just be starting over. I am not looking to enter right now. I do not enter in between. I do like to enter somewhere around liquidity grabs. So up here, I know it's liquidity to the buy side, and down here, I know it is liquidity to the sell side. So I want to see which side gonna get taken out. Oh shit! Also, there's a gap to be filled right here. Go ahead and put a gap. Gap fill. Alright, so the gap is filled. I want to see you go ahead and take out the upside liquidity. Once it takes out the upside liquidity, it hasn't reached sell side yet. So you guys know the market go from imbalance to balance, imbalance to balance. So once it takes out the liquidity to the upside, I'm looking to short the market. So let me go ahead and go to the 2-minute time frame so I can be like right on time. Alright, so it took out the buy side liquidity. So now I'm looking for opportunities to short the market. I am looking to short here. And let's just say, now I wanted to take out the sell side liquidity. So this is how you can improve your trading overnight. I talk about liquidity a lot in my videos because it's very important to me. So yeah, let's just play it out. Let's just say if this trade is wrong and I'm not right, I'll have the stop loss. Well, it's already went here, so that stop loss too far. I'll have stop loss here. Alright, so now the trade is on my side for the buy side liquidity. Let's get into it. Alright, so I am looking for the sell side liquidity to get taken out. You guys can see here how it's back at a break of structure retest. So it could possibly do something like this and then go all the way down. Or it could just continue to the downside. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so it did just continue to the downside. It hasn't taken out sell side liquidity because it hasn't passed its line. I want to see it get taken out before I'm looking to re-enter for calls. So from somewhere around here, so this was a very good trade. Alright, so I did show y'all how you can improve your trading overnight real quick, learn the buy side and sell side liquidity. That is my video for today. I have to get back to caring for my son, so I will be back with another video, probably more in depth tomorrow. So if you did like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and good night.